Hello, get ready with me. In any case, this something I saw from another creator was like a chaotic get ready with me. I'm stitching this, so yeah. In any case, I'm just like I think this guy just had too much swag that I don't have. So yeah, it's quite evident. So a lot's happening in this video. But in any case, I went to an event and decided to go with a yeah, casual look, definitely. Denim on denim. But yeah, so please have a look. Stay tuned. In any case, so that's me barefooted, hair mess. Yeah, ugh, my hair is so damaged. But in any case, today is not about the hair. Let's focus. So we put on my socks. Yay! Yeah, at this point, I'm just like with this whooping of the screen. I don't know what thing the Kill Billy Hillbilly movie is this. Going on, acting on my impulsive thoughts. In any case, let's move on from that movie. Episode 2. Yeah, please hydrate while you're at it, while I'm hyping myself up. So yeah, let me do my makeup, new earrings, and all. That is, yeah, me tucking my shirt, never mind the stomach. Yeah, we still rolling since day one. So yeah, yeah, something my mother always says, I'm not too girly, but yeah, in any case, I'm like not such a perfectionist when it comes to how what are we beneath, blah blah blah. Anyways, cool. Let's just get dressed, let's just get ready, let's just get out and not be late. And yeah, I went with a simple earring look with my cuff earring. Ugh, I love my cuff earring, although it hurts me. And then I have to like just pinch it on the side so that it doesn't. Oh yeah. But yeah, this hair was okay. I missed it. We do the crisscross. Da. Yeah. Some boots, some chic boots. So at least this gives you a little bit of length, and some it suits the outfit. And then I decided to go with I left the Kill Billy Hillbilly belt. Um, oh, what's that movie? Kill Bill. Yeah. Anyways, hopefully I don't get banned by TikTok by this. In any case, lip gloss went with a winged eye. And yeah, just try to be a little dramatic, but less dramatic, where you can see my neck pieces there, the silver and blue. And I thought that just gave it oomph, you know. There's me trying to feel myself, trying to be swaggish, but it ain't me. What in the advert is this? In any case, thank you. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.